25. Most of the time, you go let it has to have time to come up to the heel. No one can come up to the heel. Now I do this. I do like 4 direction. Okay, first you warm up like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
But the key, I have to use the opposite leg to work on this.
Okay.
You can step like this one, the same line.
Mm-hmm.
Like north and south like that.
Yep.
Same line, the same line.
Yeah.
The foot. Right, later on you change. Whoop. I change to this side. Direction.
Okay.
More like the arc. My arc.
Mm-hmm.
You call arc or arch? Arch.
Arch.
Oh, the
Arch,
arch.
right?
Yeah,
Arch,
the arch.
Arch to arch. I
Yeah,
can
yeah,
see.
more like
And
that,
your
yeah.
heel's in her arch there.
It should feel good, this one.
Mm-hmm.
Arch.
Mm-hmm.
But later on I turn to south. That one east, right? Now I turn to south. I hold this one
Oh
first,
my
no
God.
stepping.
That looks...
I lock, look, this is tricky technique. I put this one to support myself.
Yeah.
So I don't lose my balance.
Ah,
I stick
Okay.
this one in there.
Yeah.
Right?
nice.
Now I can step. Right now I look to the south. But I use my heel. With this one, you know, I can do heel to heel. See that?
Yeah.
I can do heel to heel.
Mm-hmm.
I can use my heel to work on. I can do heel here. You can put hand
And
here.
you got
You
real
can
control.
put balance. You can. That's why sometimes you know you check you can do any styling. You know.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm gonna turn to the waist, the other side. Right. So I mean the part of your foot gonna like hit certain part of the client's foot.
Different, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It can hit on this one, and it can hit on this. You know. Now I come back.
Amazing how much the foot
Right.
squish
Mm-hmm.
to the
Later on, you can do your toe. You know, toe can do anything. You know, instead of thumb, you can do your twist. Anything that your own decision. No?